Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones JBL TUNE 770 with your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. Then, at your right ear cup, we have Power button. We can enter to pairing mode. We have two options how to enter pairing mode. The first one, so let me click at the Pair New Device. The first one, we can press and hold at the Power button until the LED light near to it start blinking blue. You will hear a prompt pairing. Here we go, now it starts blinking blue. So this one is the first option, and now we see them at the device list. The second option, let me turn off these headphones. So the second option is to turn on your headphones. So you need to see white LED light. Here we go, we just turn on them and then press 2 times at the Power button. This one is the best option if your headphones already connected with another devices. So as you can see, it enters to pairing mode automatically, but also I can click 1, 2, and also I will hear prompt pairing. Then tap at your headphones at the device list and click pair. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!